Te kumno barok perlok bai ipiliang soba yapi hakani ka channel kani ka video kadai shapang ki discharge policies bathamai kabala penmi naka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ha ukhandai tarik ubnai jumang discharge policies kamut kumno ban pha yaki nongpang ki bapang coronavirus ban pha shalaying te kabaningkong ki mild lani ki pre-symptomatic cases la kamut ki brew ki badon ki dak ki shin jong u coronavirus ba malu mala yakini ki nongpang hab check yaka jingshit met but yaka oxygen saturation on discharge yaki lani pha yaki shaying tang hadin bala dab shipos ngi jonga jingyo yaki dak ki shin jong u coronavirus but tang lada kim don yaka jingshit met hadu lais ngi om don kam ban test daka RT-PCR shwaban discharge hadin bala dab discharge kin hable yaka home isolation hadu shiteyong Henry shwaban discharge lada ki don yaka jingjin jar ban ring mensim on ha pha yaki shaki covid health center baper kabaar ki moderate cases lane ki nongpang badon hapo u oxygen hakani kabaning kong kadai ki nongpang kiba ki dak ki shin jongki kin here hadin lais ngi but ka oxygen saturation kadai khandai % shaning hadu saus ngi linten yakini ki nongpang hab check yaka jingshitmet but yaka oxygen saturation lada ka jingshitmet kan here hapo lais ngi but ka oxygen saturation kadai khandai % shaning hadu saus ngi klemu oxygen yakini ki nongpang on la ban pha shalaying hadin shpos ngi bakila yo ekidakishin henry kimdei bandon yaka jingshitmet but kila ban ring minsim klemu oxygen te yakini ki nongpang bahap hakani ka category kim don kam ban sha test daka RT-PCR shwaban pha shalaying hadin bala deb discharge yakini ru kin hable yaka home isolation hadu shiteyo te baar yaki nongpang badon hapo u oxygen but ka jingshitmet jongki come here hadin lais ngi but kimla ban ring minsim klem u oxygen yakini ki nongpang on la ban pha shaying tang hadin baki daki shin jong u covid-19 kim don shu lani kila ban ring minsim klem u oxygen hadu lais ngi lenter yakini ki nongpang bahaba kanika category kim don kam ban sha test daka RT-PCR shwaban pha shalaying hadin bala deb discharge kiru kin haban le yaka home isolation hadu shitiyo kabalai ki severe cases lani ki nongpang ki bajur ki ba dunaya ke immunity kum ki nongpang HIV ki nongpang badang shudep transplant but ki bapang cancer yakini on la ban pha shalaying tang hadin ba kim don shu yaki dakishin jong u coronavirus ka RT-PCR ka la mi negative hadin baki dakishin kila here te tangkat ni kendian boleh subun lada pidon ban kili haki comment section harum boleh subun